Hey guys, my name is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and I just saw your Facebook ad, so I thought I should put this video together for you so I could show you a few tips that you guys can be applying right now that can actually help with your online presence and getting more of the organic leads rather than paid ones. So it's important to note that nearly 70% of your organic leads come from your website. So it is really critical that your website be properly optimized so you can actually capture that traffic and then convert them into paying customers. Your website really should be like a virtual cash machine for you. So we are on your website. You have a nice looking website. Looks like you have separate pages for all of your services, which is awesome. This is exactly what you need. Hopefully every one of these pages have their own original content and are focused on their own local keywords for those services. Looks like these are interlinking pages to those services, so that's good. This is what is called a national keyword. You need to refocus this on local keywords rather than having this sentence down here. It should be fire and water damage restoration Monroe, or something similar. That would be a local buyer intent keyword. Local buyer intent keywords are the ones that your customers are actually searching for in Google to find your services. Especially in emergency, they're not going to care about your brand. They're going to care about who can get to their property first. So your content throughout your entire website needs to be focused on local buyer intent keywords rather than national keywords. This is really awesome. I love this. I might even consider putting this up higher on the page because most people do not read your page from top to bottom, and this just shows trust. So this and reviews together, a little bit higher on your page would really add some trust level to your website. Looks like you have two offices, so I would have two separate location pages. And then if you're servicing multiple cities, I would highly suggest you consider having a separate page for every city that you service that has any search volume, because that is going to help you to be found organically in each of those cities for each of your services. All service pages, location pages should be like mini home pages, but with their own unique content and their own keywords specific to those areas. Google wants your homepage to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content focused on those local buyer intent keywords and your services. And that comes down to 250 words for every keyword you're going to target. And you're always going to need more than whatever your competitors are doing. So if they have more than 1,500 words, you're going to need more than 1,500 words as well. Now, Google has little robots called crawlers that go and index all of these pages looking for your original content and keywords so that you can be indexed for them and they can rank you and put you in front of your customers. Now, one of your top organic competitors for water damage is United Water Restoration Group in Charlotte. They have a nice looking site. They have separate pages for their services. Restoration company in Charlotte, so they're going after local keywords. Let's see, they have a little bit of content. Reviews can count as content as well. Looks like they definitely have more content than you guys, but not nearly enough to what Google wants to see. So And then they also have separate service area pages. So you definitely need to be considered doing that. You need to have more content, not just on your homepage, but throughout your website. So you need to really focus on your local buyer intent keywords for every page, making sure every page is original content and their own keywords so you don't have problems with keyword cannibalizations. And then your website needs to be supported by SEO because a website without it is not going to be found. Now, it does look like you have SEO either currently or did in the past. You have some great metrics here. These scores are based 100% on your backlinks and referring domains, but not all of these are created equal. So you do need to make sure that you have highly authoritative links, which means that they're directly related to your industry. You also need to make sure that they are do follow links so that they share the power of the high ranking sites and help you to rank higher and faster. But Google only gives you credit for one backlink per referring domain. So that means over 7,000 of these backlinks are spam, according to Google. Now, if we look here, only 232 are actually do follows, which means only 232 links out of here are doing anything to help your website. You have only been indexed for 47 keywords and you're getting zero traffic. So you're missing out on a ton of potential customers by not being properly optimized. And if we look at your keywords, none of them are on the first page. There's 10 spots in Google per page. So you're at the very bottom for 3 keywords of the second page. And these are local buyer intent keywords. You just need to be using the backlinks and actually ranking your keywords properly, especially being low difficulty. These should be super easy for you to rank. So you definitely got to work on the backlinking strategies, content, and keywords. Looking at your competitor here, they have a low score of a 2.3 with only 200 backlinks and 52 referring domains. Out of that, only 13 are do follow. So you only have to beat their 13, which you're clearly doing. The difference is you not having those backlinks directed at the keywords properly to rank them. And these guys have been indexed for over 300 keywords, and they're getting over 400 people to their website. So again, it just shows the importance of optimizing your site so that you can start capturing this traffic. The last piece is this Google Maps section. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section because 30% of people go straight to the maps and don't go anywhere else. So in order to be in the top 3, there's several factors, but the most important are citations. That's the name of the business, address, phone number, website, and listing those in a bunch of directories. Like Yellow Pages, Yelp, and I don't know, Dex. So you need a lot more of those than your top competitor. And when you follow all of these tips I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your services and service areas using those local buyer intent keywords supported by your SEO links. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen. And I would love to get some feedback on what you thought of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to hearing from you soon.